and the 550. I zoomed in a bit too much there. Bit of a dull day today, but it's almost ready for going to its owner. You can see the paint shine, nice and flat. Just got a layer of dust on top. I don't know if you can see the dust, which still looks alright. Give it a final clean when it does go. But yeah, now she's looking nice. We left the tyres on to what it had. We are trying to find a set of Goodyears with the diamonds on for the 19s and the 32s, but as these old tyres are, they're hard to find. It's alright if you want cheapies, but if you just want a little bit of something nice, these are alright, but they're just a bit worn off there. As you can see, if they were straight across, they would probably pass, but they don't, so. But yeah, no, I'm happy with it. That's a stupid idea as well, because if you've got the back window open, any water that lands on it just runs straight into the cab. No wonder they used to rot like hell. You know, you look at the fence, that fence the same age. Yeah, granted it's had a newer cab, but even the rest of the tractor, it's done probably 10 times the hours of this thing has. But this has come together nice. Just got to paint the top link. It's just one we put on. We've got a plough to go on this. Little thief for a plough. Yeah, just let you have a look at it all. My zoom's broken. It's full of paint and I dropped it. Oh, we've just got a back window rubber to sort out as well. That's one thing about Massey's, they use rubber that was designed just for them, I think. But yeah, there's a cab. The seat is not the best, I will admit. We are going to try and find a place that will actually recover it properly, but whether that gets done now or at a later date when it comes back for tyres, yeah. There's a trim kit all. See, there's a split on the seat and there, and it's had like a bit of vinyl put over the back of it, which is not nice, but it's better than it looks underneath that vinyl. And we want to keep the rest of the seat because it's a good one. So there's going to be a little bit of a tear there by the foot throttle. We'll have to sort that out. But yeah, she's been sat outside for, well, been outside maybe 3 or 4 days now. Just because we're doing some dirty work in the garage. So it's had a coat of rain, it's been frozen, it's been snowed on. But it's had some admirers. One fella came up to us, I mean obviously he didn't know anything about tractors, he just goes, I didn't know they made these new. I was rather insulted, because it wasn't like this when it was new. big old heavy doors. Put 10.9 bolts in the hinges. The other bolts are a bit crap, really. Get these new bolts now, and they're a bit weak and waffy, really. No matter what they say on the head. Oh well, that'll do. On with these fence. They have to be done. There's a deadline or two attached to them, so we'll crack on with them. But I'll keep you all posted. Just thought I'd show you this, same as you've seen it sort of through the process. That's about it really. There's not much more I can show of a tractor that we've painted. Apart from the back, I like the back end. Looks nice with all the different coloured parts. It all just breaks it up. The fent won't look like that. The fent will just be a sea of grey, red and green. So there's the rubber we need. We've only got half of it on the window. I have found some that will kind of do. It's just going to need doctoring slightly to make it fit, because it's like got a little bead inside it that runs through a channel on the window. Which, yeah, when it's new, brilliant, but when that bead rots out, the rubber falls out, then the rubber goes hard, and it's just an absolute nightmare. And they're the bits that people pick up on. Anyway, thank you.